So right now we're in a preferred club master suite swim out. Please. This area, differently from our other categories, it has the kitchenette and living room separate from the bedroom. It has as well half bathroom for guests here. All master suites as well has a large fridge instead of the minibar that typically we found on all
Right,
books.
very nice.
We'll see it later outside. And over here we have the master bedroom, king size bed. All master suites has king size bed, and all of them are adults only. Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Of course, due to the size of the room, we need the same for the bathroom. You have your own shower, a tub, 2 sinks, and as well a large area for these.
Yes,
parts.
beautiful.
All of our rooms have tablet with information of the hotel. You can do spa appointments. You can reserve, order room service from there as well. And from the living room and from the bedroom, you can access your own private section of the pool. This category is a
very
swim out,
nice.
so you have the access. You have a dining area here, a table over there, 2 more on the side, and of course the section of the pool. The
And you
different-
said the master is for adult only.
Adults
Is
only.
that
All
correct?
masters are adults only.
Okay.
The difference from a junior suite swim out is mainly that the master suite has this small jacuzzi integrated,
Ah, okay.
and of course the larger of this space.
Right. Very nice. And this is preferred club,
All
correct?
master suites are preferred club.
All masters are preferred club. Okay. Thank you so much. And this is from Dreams Macao in Punta Cana.